Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to properly play Baldur's Gate 3. First, let's dive into character creation. Your initial choices are incredibly important. Select a race and class that truly resonate with your preferred playstyle, whether you favor direct combat, stealth, or powerful magic. Carefully assign your ability scores, focusing on strengths that enhance your chosen role. Don't forget to pick a background. It offers unique dialogue and quest opportunities throughout your adventure. Next, let's talk about combat and exploration. Combat is turn-based, so use your actions and bonus actions wisely. Always look for environmental advantages like high ground or explosive barrels to turn the tide of battle. Beyond fighting, thorough exploration is key. Search every nook and cranny for valuable items, hidden passages, and crucial lore. Talk to every non-player character. Many offer quests or vital information that enriches your journey. Your companions are more than just fighters. They are integral to your story. Recruit a diverse group to ensure a balanced party, covering various skills and combat roles. Invest time in building strong relationships with them through dialogue and shared experiences. Every major decision you make, from small interactions to grand choices, will significantly impact the narrative and the world around you. Be mindful, as your actions carry considerable weight. Finally, here are some advanced tips for your adventure. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spells, abilities, and equipment combinations to discover what works best for your party. Efficient inventory management is crucial for carrying essential items and maximizing your gear's potential. Remember to take long rests frequently to restore your party's health, spell slots, and special abilities. And always save your game often to avoid losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.